Okay, moving on to part 2. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So end of part 1 was shoulders. From here it goes wah, hey, and ha, ta, ta, a, ah, wavy, wavy, point, and a hey, hey. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, time to break it down for you. Alright, so roll the shoulders from here. What you want to do is, let's just do the arms. The arms are gonna say, the left goes here, right goes down before it comes up to your chin. So, from here, this was in part 1. Left goes to the side, right goes down, up. Just try that, super simple. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go down here. All right, now the legs are gonna say jump out. Yeah, notice how I'm bending my knees slightly, also spreading them a bit apart. And then I wanna jump up on my left and then take my right up behind. Yeah, so from the side it's gonna look like this. And just show you actually, boom, here. All right, let's just try that again. 5, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go down here. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we say jump down, jump up. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump down, up. Okay, so from boom, here, let's just do the legs because that's the tricky part. You want to say prep. Yeah, so you're just lifting it slightly up before you want to swing it to the front. Swing, yeah? Now from here, you want to say jump on your right, kicking your left, back. Yeah, so my right goes here to the front. I'm basically just jumping on my right, swinging my left, back. All right, let me just show from the side. So we just did it down, up, so the right is behind. You want to say prep, swing it, and then you want to jump on right and back. All right, so once the left is back, you just want to say step to the side. Pretty simple, right? So you were here, and then you just said step to the side. This is my left side. All right, so from here, the left is in, prep right back, swing right to the front, now jump on right, left goes back, and then left goes to the left. One last time. So from here, we want to practice and swing, jump, side. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, jump, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, jump, right. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, jump, right. Okay, now the arms. The arms are pretty simple actually. So we just did whoop here. Basically what you want to do is just bring your left up and then you want to say, yeah, so notice I'm swinging it here and clapping and then jump, jump. Yeah, so basically what you're doing is just say left up and then clap. All right, so boom, here, you want to say left up, clap, swing, jump, down. Now on the last one, you actually want to say roll up. And here, when you step up to the left, you want to say arms go like that. Yeah, so they were here, clap. Now you're just bringing it to your chest. Yeah. So let's just try one last time. We're gonna go from here. You want to go and swing, jump, side. One last time. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and swing, jump, side. So right after swing, jump, side, from here, you want to say, bring your right hand here to the side, to the right side, and you also want to look here. You want to say chin, up. Yeah, so you basically went from here, down, up. All right, and then from here, you want to say, let's just do the arms. The arms are gonna say from here. The left is going up, elbow up first, and then wrist, and then follow, follow. Yeah, so we're doing a wave. Yeah, so we're gonna go elbow, wrist, other hand, and then elbow at the end. All right? Now, the rest of your body is just doing, you want to take a small step with your right, here, left, front, right? So I was here, I'm going right, left, again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, in, left, front. And at the same time, you want to say chin chin here, you want to say wavy, wavy. All right, let's try that again. From top top, we want to go wavy, wavy. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, wavy step, wavy step. You know what, let's just go a bit back because I also want to practice this part with you. So we just went here, yeah? Now let's practice, go boom, up, wavy step, wavy step. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, rises. Here, up, wavy step, wavy step. One at a time. 5, here, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Look, up, wavy step, wavy step. Okay, let's just go back to the beginning of part 2 before we forget everything else, all right? So, this was enough for 1. Now part 2 is a jump, up, prep, swing, jump to the left. Now from your new part, look, up, wavy step, wavy step. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna try and practice that part, all right? So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go jump, up, prep, swing, jump, left, look, up, wavy step, wavy step. One more time. So from here, jump, jump, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump, prep, swing, jump, left, now look, up, wavy step, wavy step. Okay, feel free to practice some more if you don't have it yet, but if you have it, let's move on, right? So, it's not a lot left, so let's see. Wavy, wavy, step, step, step. From here, you wanna say, so the arms goes point to the sides, and the rest of your body goes, or actually your legs, you go twist, yeah? Twist, yeah? So I'm on my toes, flicking my heels to the side, right? And that was wavy, wavy here, twist. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist. And then the last move right after the point is you want to bring back your left here and go. Notice how my legs are pointing inwards, toes and knees. From here, you want to say the legs are saying open, close, open, right? So it's, let me just check. Close, open, close, open. You know what? Let's just practice that part, just the legs. So the left is here to the front. You want to bring it back, inwards. Then you want to say open, close, open, yeah? Right now I'm just doing it on flat foot, but if you want, you can also do it on your heels, yeah? You can actually also do it on your toes, right? Oh, heels is better. Or just flat foot, like I'm doing, yeah? So, left leg, back, inwards, open, close, open. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go back, inwards, open, close, open. One last time. 5, 6, 7, back, close, open, close, open. Now the arms are saying here. When you go inwards, you want to grab with your right here to your left side, and then you want to pull it back. Now opposite, left goes to the right side, and then you close, and then you say open. Yeah. So when you pull, you open your legs. So let's just try and combine it. Left goes back, then you want to say close, open, close, open. Yeah? One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, close, open, close, open. One more last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, back, close, open, close, open. So that was the end of the dance. From that point, you can repeat the dance. So let's see, right, left, and then you can repeat it by going from the top. And yeah, so let me just do a quick recap of part 2 and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick recap, this was in the part 1. Part 2 goes boom, here, front, swing, jump, side, look, wavy step, point twist, and then go back, close, open, and then you can repeat the dance. Alright, okay, so let's practice. This was in a part 1. So we're gonna start say 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say and dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, up, spread, swing, jump, side, look, up, wavy step, point, bring it back, close, open, and close, open. Alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, up, prep, swing, jump, side, look, up, wavy step, point, bring it back, close, open. Okay, one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, prep, swing, jump, side, look, up, wavy step, point, bring it back, and close, open. Alright guys, time to do the full dance. I'm gonna do a quick preview of the full dance, then we're gonna do a run through, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so here's a quick preview of the full dance. It goes boom, hey, yo, hey, jump, prep, side, look, wavy, point, back. Now, let me do a quick run through in case you forgot some moves. Alright, so from the tip to the top, you want to say hammer left, keep them here, yo, left, elbows back, cross, swing right up, now say switch, left goes up, sit, and then you go hip, down. From here you want to right, swings up, around, at the same time jump, here, and then up to your shoulders, drag them out. Boom. From here you want to say jump down, left to the side, right down, and then you want to jump on left, right up, and then right arm goes up to J. From here you want to say prep left, swing back, and then say swing to the front and clap. Boom. And then you want to say jump on right, and then left goes to the left. At the same time your arms go here. From here you want to say look down, up, and then you want to say wavy starting from the left elbow, and you want to say step right, step left to the front. From here you want to say point to the sides and go flick heels to the side. Now from here you want to take your left back, and then you want to say here, close, drag from your right arm is going from left, pull, and then close again, left arm to the right side and go pull. Alright, so that was the full dance. Time to practice. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hammer, keep them here, yo, and cross. Right up, swing, opposite, go hip, down, round with your arms, jump here, drag them out to your shoulders, get ready to jump down, boom, jump up on left, and then you want to say prep, left goes up, swing it, boom, clap, and then say jump up right, left goes to the side, then you want to say look, down, up, get ready to say wavy, step right, left, and then say point to the side. Now you want to step back, and then you want to say close, pull, close, pull. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hammer, keep them here, yo, and cross, right up, switch sit, hip, down, around, jump, up, drag them out to your shoulders, get ready to sit, jump, up, prep, swing, Boom, jump, left, look right, up, wavy, right, left, point, step back with your left, and then say close, open, close, open. All right, one at a time. Let's just do it a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hammer, keep them here. Yo, cross, right up, swing, hip, and around, up, shoulders, jump down, chin, prep, swing, jump out, look, up, wavy step, point, back, close, open, close, open. Okay guys, now you just need to practice this over and over again until you can do it fast. Right, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the introducing emote dance from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.